Hello everyone, I am back with my new video. I Sarthak Chauhan welcoming you all in this video. In this video, we're talking about association rules in data science. In this presentations, we delves into the worlds of association rules, a powerful tool for extracting valuable insights from data. We will explore their definitions, mining techniques, and two crucial criteria, which are confidence difference and confidence quotient. So let's start the video. Now, understanding association rule. Association rule are the key concept in data mining and data science used to discover relationship patterns and associations between variables in large data sets. These rules are particularly popular in market basket analysis but apply to many domains. So let's understand what are association rules. Association rules identify patterns in translations data to reveal how items or events are related. For an example, in retail rule, if a customer buys bread, they are likely to buy butter. Antecedent bread or consequent is butter. Now, applications of association rules are market basket analysis. It discovers purchase pattern in retail. Example, customer buying diapers often buy baby wipes. Recommender system. It suggests product or services. Example, people who watch this movie also watch something else. The third one is medical diagnosis. Identify co-occurring symptoms or treatments. Fourth one is websites and navigating or navigations. Optimize user experience based on browsing patterns. So we understand through definition, the association rule uncovers relationship between items in a datasets, identify pattern and dependency. We understand through an example. For instance, a rule might say that 80% of customers who purchase breads also buy milk, in which we are creating a pattern that 80% of customers who buy a bread also buys a milk. So let's understand further mining association rules in techniques. In mining association rules and techniques, we understand about a prior algorithm. A prior algorithm, a popular method for discovering frequent it meets and generating association rules. It leverages the a priori principle, which states that any subset of a frequent item set must also be frequent. The second one is R and Python libraries. Libraries like a rules in R and ML expand in Python provides comprehensive functions for association rule in mining. Now let's understand through an example. We can illustrate how to mine association rules using the Aurelius packages in R. Confidence differences and criterion concepts. So the confidence difference criterion is a measure used in association rule mining to compare and evaluate the strength of association rules. It assesses the difference between the confidence of a rule and the confidence of its converse rule. This criterion help identifying a systematic in relationship between antecedent and a consecutive. Definition of this criterion measures the difference of confidence between two association rules, indicating the relative reliability of the rules. Interpretations. A larger difference is confidence suggests a more significant difference in the reliability of the two rules. Applying confidence difference criterion in R Python. Implementation. we can implement the confidence difference criterion using the rules package in R or a ML extend library in Python. Example, here's an R example. R has confidence difference between two rules, confidence difference rule 1 and confidence difference rule 2. Now, confidence quotients criterion concepts. The definition of this is the confidence quotient criterion is a measure used in association rule mining to evaluate a mystery or directional strength of an association rule. It compares the confidence of a rule A equals to B to reveal its rule B equals to A in a ratio form. Through an example, the confidence quotient measures the ratio of confidence between two association rules, providing a relative measure of their strengths. About the interpretation, a confidence quotient greater than 1 indicates the first rule is more reliable than the second, while a quotient less than 1 minute suggests the opposite. So, applying confidence quotient criterion in R Python. For implementing, we can implement the confidence quotient criterion using both R and Python libraries. So, understand through an example, Python example. Python has confidence quotient between two rules, confidence quotient rule 1 and confidence quotient rule 2. So I hope you understand well in this video. So let's end here the video. Thank you for watching. Good day.